Usembut Menteri Ramba kajela ubak sengau balang dhar hakalai trik nailar. Ulapun pau kajing sengau lam halur kajing long jingman namar kajing shlek ha Assam. Pat pen pau baka sorkar Meghalaya kalong kebakloi banyak kendu pat yapen bet yakinu kinukiman da kajingnya trilang pat ke sorkar Assam. Habakren cakilat thai kubor ubak sengau balang ula ong baka jing shlek kelawan ra kajing kabakrau ya kadika jela pamarjan. Bat pen pau ru kajing sengulam kamtam na kabentai kitu kebaladu no ialah kajong kajing em. Ula ong ba ulai keren ru pat umintri rang ba Konrad ke sangma ban penbet na kabenta kajing alang bat UCM ke Assam. Ngin ya kendu bat ngin penlong kajing keren bat umintri rang ba ke Assam ban penbet lang ye kajing Ngim dan hang ni ban yakin no iwe ya iwe ngidan hang ni ban tre na kabenta kabha kami cengkipat ba ula ong. Ula benrap banadu kisnam ki balalej ki ar sorkar ki juya trilang ban shimkia ki jing kamtam hakabaya de bat ki surak ni surak ba ki bapenya so hapadeng ki ar jela habakali halor ketika jing temu penlong jingalang ubak singa balang ula ong babaro ki ar ngot menteri rangba ila bu por banyak kendu bat ka jinga kren kan long hakarukam ke batai bat ke badan ya kajing yasngut hu jingman baru arngut kin saya kendu bat ngin saya keren hakarukam ke badai biang ngin persyang banwat ya kilat kilinti ke babiang tam ban penbet ya kijing ngilalong ki bakloi na kabenta kata ula benrap.
Especially this time is very, very unfortunate, especially in the state of Assam. The floods really affected the people, and my condolences to those who lost their life as well. So I told Chief Minister, he will meet the CM of Assam. We will discuss and we will solve collectively. Because we are not here to blame each other. We are here to work for people. Frankly speaking, if there is any problem on the road or the highway, we as a government, both government, if there is a place to solve collectively, we will solve collectively. No issue about that. When both of them are meeting together, we will discuss in a good atmosphere and try to see which is the best way to solve this issue. No issue for that. We are ready for that.